You better watch out. You better not cry. You better not pout. I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town.
It's the night before Christmas when all through Guyana not a creature was stirring, not even a mouse, and the smell of pepper pot wafted through the house. The children were nestled, all snug in their beds, while visions of garlic pork danced in their heads.
He's making a list, he's checking it twice. He's gonna find out if you're naughty or nice. Santa Claus is coming to town.
Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang. Spread their racks on new chain.
Hey, bitches, where the party at?
Santa out and stunting, packing them soft like dumpling. Me no got no money so me touting. Santa do the dance like drunkin.
Me no got no gift fi give them, so me a forget pay when me see them. Money fi a beer, money fi the XM. We raising GT them go west them.
Stunting,
Me bad like Mona and Tina. Me like the Granger cause that is green. Me sue them go down to the dry cleaner. Don't see me a play no intervener. Me out and bad. Santa don't work no way.
The thing serious, I don't play. But this Christmas I go get paid. But this Christmas I go get paid.
cause me out and bad. Stunting, stunting. Stunting.
Wait, it's PU just PU skin. Girl!
iPhone 11, an iPad, a MacBook, 64-inch flat screen TV. I want a Louis Vuitton a book bag. I think you guys gonna be jealous of me. A Fenty lipstick with makeup as well. The foundation for the face. A Movado smartwatch. A new JLo fragrance.
You ever hear about shoplifting?
Introducing MVP Sports, now available online. Convenient, safe, and easy. Check us out at www.mvpsportsgy.com. Delivery or pickup available. Pay by PayPal or cash on delivery.
MVP Sports. Get in the game.
Hey! Where you going? Not on my lap. Wait, what just best be on your wish list? Come, stoop down here and let me talk to you. Nope. Nice, nice. Hey, Mrs. Claus left me for another woman. Me and nobody will cook for me, right? So this is good. Hey, boo-hoo! Sucked up cupcake. Life is full of disappointments. My wife left me for a Kitty Campbell conductress. And you crying over a snack? Just wait until you're 45-year-old alcoholic, divorced father of 5 with no money, no job, no fixed place of abode, and a crappy car that you still owe $368,000 for. On top of that, MSCC come and knock me off from my little garbage collecting work. Who gets knocked off from garbage collecting? Eh? Who? I don't know where I was going. That's not going to the church. We feeding y'all. Where y'all come from? Where y'all come from? Y'all think I wander here? Y'all don't think I got things to do? You think I wander around with a set of snotty noses to my little children? I have things to do. I got dreams too. I got a list too. Who gonna listen to me list?
I think Santa needs a hug.